Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to import password into your Microsoft Authenticator. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to import the passwords, you just simply have to open Microsoft Authenticator application. And now, after opening the Microsoft Authenticator application, you will get to see so many options into here. Now you just simply have to tap into this passwords option, and now you will get the option of import from Google Chrome or import from password manager. You just simply have to choose the suitable option for you. I'm just simply selecting this import from Google Chrome option into here, and after tapping into there, it will show all of the guidance of importing password into your screen. And after that, you just simply have to tap into this select CSV from Google Chrome option. And after choosing this option, you just simply have to select the file in which you have your password in CSV file format. And after selecting the file format, you can import it into your Microsoft Authenticator. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.